Sharp? No? Okay. So we're going to cut her directly down the middle. This is probably the most German thing I could be doing right now. And I'm going to do this like a blind box. Okay? So I'm going to cut into the center. And I'm going to show you guys before I look at it. Now she's a little bit smaller than my last one. Okay? So this is where, after I cut into it and show it, this is where you guys do the oohs and ahs. The game started. Okay. We got to get going then. Okay, I gotta keep my eyes open so I don't cut my... Oh my God, it's so hard. Okay, I'm just gonna open it now. Are you ready? Is it good or is it bad? Oh, that's awful. Wait. That's not that good. No! It's edible. It's edible, but it's not as airy as I wanted it to be. No! Fuck, I should have proofed it for 12 hours. Now I have to do this process over again. Let's try it. She's like a little too spongy. Is she edible? Yes. Okay. Listen, it is what it is. I will let Arthur try it, but he's currently logging into things. But it's not the worst. I'm assuming because I did not cold proof it, it did not expand like I wanted it to be. But either way, chat, let's go ahead and get ready for some football.
Does chat know where we can watch it?
Are we not logged into S-Fans?
No, I just realized he watched it through his phone.
Where, I'll pay for it.
You would?
Mm-hmm. I'm not gonna make you pay for it.
Okay, I just don't
Telemundo. Oh, Fox app.
Fox app?
Yeah, we can buy it on the Fox app.
Okay, I'm just connecting them.
Okay. And then let me grab my phone so I can buy it. Listen, I'm canceling my Fox app subscription as soon as we're done. Okay. Telemundo is better, yeah, but I can't speak Spanish. Oh, so you have to pay for this? I think so. You have to pay for everything. Also, I do have a camera, so, and by I mean Arthur set up a camera, so I will not have you guys on the phone forever. Do you want me to look up the Fox app?
Yes.
Okay. I got it. I gotta hurry because every single time we're not completely set up, or the team that we want to make a goal ends up making a goal. So, Arthur running with this flag. Oh, I have to give you guys an update also on Mr. Chowder. Come here, Chowder. So Chowder ended up taking his medication this morning, his anxiety medication, or his supplements or whatever, and he has been such a doll. He's just so much more calm. Still 0-0? Okay, let me lock in. Fox. He has been such a sweet, sweet boy. He also has not been licking as much. He does lick because he's a dog. But he's been so relaxed. He's not taking any hardcore medication. He's just taking these like little chews that the vet had recommended. And then we have like actual anxiety medication for like bigger things, like visiting the vet or whatnot. Okay, I need to go to the app store. Okay, I gotta bring you down, Chowder. Fox. I might just get on my phone and broadcast it, but guys, keep me updated. Boop. Bro, am I crazy? Where is it? Which one is it? Fox Revu? 3-0 Germany. Stop it. Christian Creek Network? Cat on the table? Yeah, they're cats. How to do the bet because my dog was licking his inner back. Yes. Especially when it's so hot. Bootleg Fox one. Fox Sports. Okay. I can't find the app. I'm going to do... SPORTS. Okay, that did not work. I'm stressed, please. ESPN, dude. Can I say, Arthur, I hate...
Apparently you can watch it on Amazon Prime on your account. On my account it doesn't work because
Really?
Well, maybe.
Okay, let's see. Oh, I'm on your account, that's why.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
You gotta
Arthur.
swap accounts.
I gotta go to the American account to make sure that I can watch the German sports. Got it.
Quick. We're
I'm
about
trying.
to
I don't know how to work. I don't know how to work
Oh
the
my
Apple
God,
TV.
everybody panic.
How do I work the TV?
Except you,
Arthur, how do
Chowder.
I get up to the corner?
Okay, let me
How do I do it?
Let me touch it for you.
Help.
Give it to me.
Okay. Panic.
Ah.
Chowdies, let's get down, buddy.
Chowder was like, panic, hold my beer.
He said anxiety medication.
Well, you're right, this is stupid.
I'm telling you, I cannot stand Apple TV.
There we go.
Okay. All right, we're on the American. Is that why the apps don't work also? Because I could not find Fox anywhere.
Yes, some apps are like region locked. It is shameless, let me tell you.
I think that's what happened with Paramount. Okay, now what are we? We're on the Apple TV.
Search.
No, that's not it. That's
Apple
searching.
TV.
No.
Apple TV.
And then I go to apps. Wait, and then I go to Prime Video.
App Store. Maybe Prime Video. Oh, but I'm logged in on your account.
Messi just... Oh my God, Arthur!
Messi isn't playing. Quick!
I'm trying, but you're logged into... Why are you logged into my Amazon? In your German region.
That's my Amazon.
No, that's my Amazon. Well,
I'm going to crash out.
Okay, where's Fox?
Fox News International.
No, that's not it. That's Fox News.
Maybe log out or add an account. Yeah.
No, that's a profile.
Click on it.
Why can't I log out?
No.
No, that was the kids one.
Chat, I'm crashing out.
Peacock, please. Oh, is it on Peacock? Fox 1. I'm telling you guys, it's not on there.
I'm about to commit a crime and watch for free.
Stop, don't do that. We don't promote that here. Fox 1. I swear to God, if they end up scoring, Arthur.
It doesn't show Fox 1.
I'm telling you, it doesn't. No, it doesn't.
Maybe this is my app store.
No, this is mine.
Are you sure?
Yes. Why are you logged into my Prime Video?
I'm not.
You are.
There you go.
Where?
Kids. Main menu.